Highlight control is what separates amateur color grading from refined professional work, and mastering it gives you complete tonal authority. How to explore highlight tone control. Start by opening Photoshop and loading your image into a document about 2,000 pixels wide, then convert the layer into a smart object so adjustments stay editable. Add a color balance adjustment layer and focus first on the highlights channel, gently shifting sliders to tint bright areas without affecting midtones or shadows. Lower the adjustment layer opacity to keep the effect realistic, then add a mask and softly paint with black over regions that should retain natural lighting. Introduce a curve